Hello everyone! Nandito po kami ngayon at ang model ko ay si Christine. Kukulayan po natin siya. Surprising color po. Surprise! So, ang procedure po namin gagawin is kailangan nating i-bleach yung regrowth part niya kasi yung kulay na ilalagay natin is hindi naman siya may apply kung hindi ililift yung kulay ng hair niya. So, unahin natin yung regrowth part and then i-wash na lang natin later yung ends ng hair niya kasi na-bleach na siya dati. So, see you later guys. See you later.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated. What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting storms in my head.
So, ayan po. So, ngayon po, i-bleach po natin yung regrowth part niya. Itong unahin natin, then later na lang, i-wash na lang natin ito. So, hindi naman ganun kalight yung kulay na gusto na-achieve natin sa ating client. Sa ating kliyente. So, hindi natin siya kailangan i-light ng sobra. Surprising yung color. So, later na lang. So, ayan na po guys. Magpuproceed na po tayo sa ating application ng bleaching. So, kailangan po nating i-apply ang bleaching powder sa regrowth part ng ating kliyente. So, sa pag-apply po nito guys, ang technique dito is hindi po natin siya ilalapat sa scalp. Ilalayo po natin siya ng at least half an inch para po maiwasan natin ng allergies or pamumula ng anit ng ating kliyente, ng scalp. Gagamitin po tayo ng bleaching powder. Hahaluan po natin ito ng 30 volume or 9% developer para mas mabilis po yung pag-light ng ating buhok ng ating kliyente, so hindi po tayo matatagalan. Ibababad po natin ito ng within 30 to 45 minutes. So, pag na-reach na po natin yung level 8, hindi po natin siya kailangang ibabad ng sobrang tagal kasi ito po yung nagiging cost ng pagka-damage ng buhok. 30 to 45 minutes, pwede na po natin itong hanlawan. And thereafter po nating hanlawan is pwede po natin siyang i-applyan ulit ng second coating ng bleaching para ma-reach po natin yung level 9 para naman po pumantay. At sa second coating guys, dito rin natin i-apply yung bleaching powder sa baba ng buhok, yung may bleach part na before. Lalagyan na rin po natin siya. Pero take note guys yung bleaching powder na i-apply natin sa baba, sa lower part ng buhok niya na may bleach na before is mas mababa yung gagamitin nating developer. So gagamit lang tayo dito ng 20 volume or 6% developer. Ang ratio pa rin po na gagawin natin dito is 1:2. 100 grams ng bleaching powder and 200 ml po ng developer. So, yun po yung ratio na gagawin natin guys.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind and see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
So faceless.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated. What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. This shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you.
So, ayan guys, then application na po ng ating bleaching. So, ililib lang po natin ito ng at least 30 to 45 minutes. And then, i-wash na natin. So, see you again later after nang ma-wash na natin siya.
Yeah, Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, they see that I'm cooler than let me.
So, ayan guys, kung napapansin nyo, nahalawa na po natin yung first bleach coating ng buhok ng ating kliyente. So, kung napapansin nyo guys na mas light yung upper part kasi dun sa baba. Kasi hindi pa po natin i-wash yung lower part ng hair niya. Sa second application pa po natin siya i-wash para po hindi naman masyadong madamage yung hair ng ating kliyente. Siyempre, kailangan din natin protektahan ng buhok ng ating kliyente para naman hindi mo nasira yung image natin sa ating kliyente. So, kahit naman po sino yatang hairdresser or hairstylist is ganoon din naman po yung gagawin. So, ayun na guys. Proceed na po tayo sa second coating ng bleaching powder ng ating kliyente after nating mahugasan. So, sa procedure na to guys, po pwede na po nating ilapat yung ating bleaching powder sa scalp. Kasi ang ginamit naman po natin ditong developer is 6% or 20 volume lang. So, 1:2 ratio pa rin po. The same lang din po nung kanina na ginawa natin. Mas safe naman po to sa skin and scalp ng ating kliyente. So, hindi po siya magkakaroon ng allergy reaction. And then, after ng application guys, isasabay na rin natin yung baba, syempre, para ma-wash na po yung nakikita ninyo na may pagka-dark part sa baba. Bababad lang po natin ito ng mga 20 to 30 minutes. Hindi na po siya ganoon katagal. Kasi yung baba naman guys, is madali na po siyang mag-light. Kasi nga po, kagaya ng nasabi ko kanina, meron na po siyang bleach before. Kaya medyo may pagka-rusty lang yung kulay niya guys. Kasi nung nag-bleach siya before, ang kinulay natin sa kanya is dark ash blonde, kaya medyo may pagka-dark po yung kulay niya sa baba. Pero madali lang po yung ma-wash, mga 5 to 10 minutes lang po matatanggal na po yung pagka-brassy ng kulay niya sa baba guys. So, to be safe, hindi po natin siya ibabad na mas matagal para hindi naman po madamage yung buhok ng ating kliyente. So, hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng problema.
So faceless.
So faceless.
So, ayan, finally, natapos na po tayo sa ating bleaching procedure. First and second coating. Yung unang procedure natin guys is inabot ng 45 minutes and then winash natin yung hair and then nag-apply tayo ng second coating ng bleaching. Inabot ng 25 minutes. So, all in all, 1 hour po. Kasi pag-bleach pa lang yun guys ha. Hindi pa kasali din yung application. So, almost 2 hours na po kami ni Christine. So, kung napapansin nyo guys, yung regrowth part niya is super light. Ayan o, super light siya. At medyo yung baba niya may pagka-yellowish pa rin. Pero, hindi na yan big deal guys kasi yung kulay naman na gagamitin natin sa kliyente natin is very surprising at very friendly sa any tone of bleach. So, hindi siya magkakaroon ng problema. So, a-apply na po natin siya guys ng kulay. Unahin po natin sa ating application ay ang root part or upper part ng kanyang buhok. Gagamit po tayo ng only 10 volume or 3% developer sa kanyang buhok para naman po mas lalabas na dark yung upper part niya. And then sa lower part naman po, gagamit tayo ng 30 volume or 9% developer. Same color, same application po ng kulay. 1:1 ratio po. So after po natin siyang applyan, ililib lang po natin ito ng at least 45 minutes para po mas kumapit yung kulay. And then, i-wash na natin. And that's all. We're done.
away, and I feel like I don't know my name, and I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Ayan na po, guys. Ayan.
Paano yung The Grudge? Yung The Grudge.
Wow! Ang ganda ng hair niya.
Yes.
Ayan.
I like this one.
Ito yung kasati.
Ito yung gusto ko talaga ng pants. Violet. Mag-try din ng
Siyempre
violet.
guys, para kompleto, dito yun natin siya.
Yep. Perfect. Darker.
Ganda niya.
Nakalimutan ko yung cartoon character ng Violet.
Ano talaga, cute.
Ayaw. Yes. Mapakganar na naman yung hair. Yung color ng hair ko. Ganda din yan.
Okay naman natin. So, ayan na nga po guys. Tapos na po ang aming kulay ni Christine. Kung napapansin nyo guys, medyo nabago ata yung ating lugar or yung ating photoshoot. Yung result po kasi dito na namin kinuhanan sa salon kasi kagabi ang gulo-gulo naming dalawa. Super gulo. Hindi namin makuha ang tamang anggulo. Kaya dito na lang po kami kumuha ng final result video sa salon para maganda naman po. So, ayan na nga guys. Inabot din po kami ni Christine ng 4 na oras sa pag-bleach at pagkukulay. Nag-start kami ng I think 11:30 PM. And then natapos kami ng 3 AM. Lugi siya kasi papasok po siya. Nasa work siya eh. Ako, day off ko ng Monday. So, ayan na nga po guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sa mga gusto magpa-appointment, just DM. Char! Bye! Thank you so much!
And I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for